Hello everybody, in today's tutorial or video I will tell you and explain how does mapmyrun work. First, mapmyrun is a fitness tracking application part of the UA connected fitness company or app. This application enables you to track all of your fitness activities just by using the GPS of your mobile device. So the technology that this application is using is only GPS. And with this, it will record details of your workout, like your duration and the distance. Also, it can have your pace, and also it will calculate, for example, your average speed, average pace that you have been running, also the speed, elevation, and also the calories burned. And uh, adding to this, it will also detect and record the routes that you have traveled because it is using the GPS technology or GPS of your mobile. So it will have a map that has your route being recorded. Also, you can have other routes or other people's routes that has been already added to the app, so you can load or import their activities, and you can do exactly as them if you want. So, mapmyrun activity generally only is just only using the GPS of your device to track your activity or track your movement to know where you are exactly, and depends on your phone technology that will detect your movements. So the mapmyrun application will take these informations from your phone and will be recorded on the interface of your application. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.